One of the big parts of this project is right behind me. They're pulling out some castor bean, which is an invasive plant, and very tenacious. Gets kind of everywhere. There's a big patch of it back there, so we're going to try to get rid of it for the new Lucia Mar Nature Trail.
Well, it's a thrill to see people out here cleaning up the watershed with us, and you know, we come to work here every day, and so to have it start to take shape as habitat instead of a weed patch, I'm super grateful and stoked because I love to sweat when I'm getting rid of invasive weeds. Makes me happy.
Yeah, so we're here in Creeklands' backyard, which is right next to the Arroyo Grande Creek. And over the last couple years, it's been abandoned. I mean, there's water bottles and junk, and so we're cleaning it up so that people can come out here and appreciate the landscape and connect with nature.
Going down to the creek, good like 100 feet down the hill, and removing trash. There's a bunch of pallets. There's some like brick pavers down there, and then there's a lot of clothing that we scooped up and just cleaning up the watershed.
Any more castor bean around here anywhere?
Oh, there's a bunch over there. So much. I knew that we were going to get a bunch of things done, but seeing it is a whole nother thing. Everyone who's here is like here to work and getting a lot of stuff done and pulling out those dang castor bean. It's great.
Castor bean!
Wow.
We've been waiting for this moment for about 6 months, I think. We finally have the signage. We're putting it in the kiosk with the help of these amazing people.
That looks so good. Today's been great. We've gotten so much done, and it's just cool to see something that we've all been planning for months come to fruition. It looks amazing. Everybody did a great job.
At Creeklands, we depend on the generosity, support, and involvement of our community. Please go to the website and donate. You can subscribe to our newsletter. You can sign up to be a volunteer. Click the link below to follow the YouTube channel or go to social media and give us a like. Thanks. We look forward to seeing you out there.